Respected Komal ma'am and my dear friends, a very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Rubru.
Myself Rubru, I am from 9th standard. Today I am here for the mastering the concept on the topic of atoms and molecules. So friends, our topic is atom and molecule. So what are atoms? Atoms are the building block of the matter. Atoms are very small in size. We might think that if atoms are so insignificant in size, so why would we take care of them? This is because our entire world is made up of an atom. We are not able to see, but they are there and constantly affecting whatever we do. Now about molecules. Molecules are the smallest particle of an element or compound that is capable of independent existence and shows all the properties of substance. Now I will tell you about atomic number. What is atomic number? Atomic number is defined as the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. For example, hydrogen. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Now take the some elements with their atomic number. First is hydrogen. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Helium. The atomic number of helium is 2. Lithium. The atomic number of lithium is 3. Beryllium. The atomic number of beryllium is 4. Boron. The atomic number of boron is 5. Carbon. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Nitrogen. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Oxygen. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Now about fluorine. The atomic number of fluorine is 9. Neon. The atomic number of neon is 10. Sodium. The atomic number of sodium is 11. Now about magnesium. The atomic number of magnesium is 12. Aluminium. The atomic number of aluminium is 13. Silicon. The atomic number of silicon is 14. Phosphorus. The atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Sulfur. The atomic number of sulfur is 16. Chlorine. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. Argon. The atomic number of argon is 18. Potassium. The atomic number of potassium is 19. Next is calcium. The atomic number of calcium is 20. Now our next topic is mass number. Now our next topic is mass number. So friends, what do you mean by mass number? Mass number is defined as the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. In the notation of an element, mass number, atomic number and symbol of an element can be written as mass number, here atomic number, and here we write symbol of an element. Let's take the example of the carbon. The mass number of carbon is 12 and atomic number is 6 and we can write it as C. It is an example of mass number. So friends, how we will find the mass number? Mass number is equal to the number of protons plus neutrons. Let's take the example of a carbon. The mass number is 6, number of proton is 6 and neutron is also 6. So mass number will be 12. And now I will tell you some more example like of helium. As I have told you that mass number is equal number of protons and neutrons, and the number of protons in helium is 2 and neutron is also 2. So mass number is 4. Like take the example of aluminium. Number of protons in aluminium is 13 and neutron is 14. So is equal to 27. Now our next topic is neutrons. Next topic is neutrons. So friends, what do you mean by neutrons? J. Chadwick discovered the subatomic particle neutrons which had no charge and mass is equal to the proton. So how we will find the neutrons? Neutron is equal to the mass number minus number of proton. Let's take this some example. As I have told you that neutron is equal to the mass number minus number of protons. Let's take the example of carbon. It has 12 mass number and 6 atomic number and we can write it as C. And it has mass number is 12 and number of protons and atomic number is equal to the number of protons. So we can write here 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6 number of neutrons is equal to the 6. Now about the calcium. 40 is at mass number, 20 is atomic number and we can write it as Ca. As I have told you that neutron is equal mass number minus number of proton. Mass number is 40 and number of proton is 20. So it is equal to the 20. Now our next topic is isotopes. So friends, what do you mean by isotopes? Isotopes are the atom of the same element which have different mass number but same atomic number. Let's take the example of the hydrogen. You can see here the mass numbers are the different but the atomic number is same. Let's take more example of carbon. Here is also the mass number are different but the atomic number are same. Now about the isobars. What do you mean by isobar? Isobar are the atom of the same element which have same mass number but different atomic number. Let's take the example of the argon and calcium. The mass number of argon is 40 and atomic number is 18. The mass number of calcium is 40 but the atomic number is 20. Here you can see the mass number are same but atomic number are different. This is all about my topic. Thank you and have a nice day.